There are a number of keystrokes that have been preloaded to change into symbols through the autocorrect feature in Word 2010 and many earlier versions. Let's start with one that you're probably fairly common with, the smiley face. If you type a colon followed by a parenthesis, it will automatically change into a smiley face. If you didn't want a smiley face, you can actually press the undo key and it'll change back into a colon and a parenthesis. Notice I used the closing parenthesis shift to the 0. If you turn your head sideways, it looks like a smiley face. I'm going to hit redo to have that go back into a smiley face. If I did colon and an opening parenthesis, shift to the 9, it'll be a frowny face. And if I did a colon with a pipe, it will be a straight face. The pipe character may be new to you. I'm going to go ahead and hit undo so you can see what it looks like. The pipe character is located directly above the enter key. It is the shift of the backslash key. So you're going to have to shift in order to get that keystroke. When it follows a colon, it's a straight face. Those are the only 3 faces that are built into Microsoft Word. Some common symbols that you'll also find in the autocorrect include the copyright symbol. To get a copyright symbol, you simply type an opening parenthesis followed by a C followed by a closing parenthesis. It will automatically change into the copyright symbol. 2 other symbols that are in parentheses include the registered symbol, parenthesis R parenthesis, and the trademark symbol, parenthesis TM parenthesis. The autocorrect feature also includes some shapes that will turn into arrows. If you type the 3 keystroke combination dash dash greater than, it'll automatically turn into an arrow. I'm going to go ahead and hit undo on that one so you can see the keystrokes. The dash is located directly to the right of the 0 on most keyboards, and the greater than is the shift of the period. I'm going to go ahead and hit redo so it turns back into an arrow. If you want that arrow to be thicker, simply use the equal sign rather than the dash. Equal, equal, greater than. You'll notice that it's a thicker arrow. If you want the arrow to point in the other direction, begin with the less than sign, which is the shift of the comma. Less than, dash, dash will be the thin arrow, and less than, equal, equal will turn into the thicker arrow. All of those symbols work because of the autocorrect feature in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word also makes it easy to type symbols that are commonly used in words, for example, accents on top of letters. If you hold down Control apostrophe and then follow that with any of the vowels, it automatically capitalized that one because it's the first letter of a sentence, so I'm going to undo. So Control apostrophe E, Control apostrophe I, Control apostrophe O, Control apostrophe U, or Control apostrophe Y. And it is 2 separate keystrokes. So you hold down Control apostrophe together, let go, and then type the A, E, I, O, U, or Y. So if you're typing somebody's name, like Sean, with an accent on the A, you do a capital S, E, Control apostrophe, A, N. And the accent is on the A. Or Renee, capital R, E, N, Control apostrophe E. And put the accent on the E. In many languages, like French, you will also want accents to go the other direction. For example, on Agnes, it's capital A, G, N, Control, accent, E, S. Notice that the accent goes the other direction. This key is located directly to the left of the number 1. It works just like Control apostrophe. If I hold down Control with that particular accent, followed by A, E, I, O, U, then it's going to place the accent above the vowel, but it's going to be angled in the other direction. Here's another one. M, I, C, H, Control, accent, E, L, E. Some languages also have a caret over one of the vowels in certain words. So the word will look like this. F-O-R, Control, caret, E-T. This one's a little more complicated simply because the caret is the shift of the number 6. So before I type the E, it's Control caret, but I actually have to shift in order to get the caret. So let's try that one again. It's FOR Control Shift 6 ET because the shift of the 6 is the caret. Control caret followed by an E or any vowel puts the caret over the character. Another character that you'll see on top of vowels in some languages is the 2 dots over a vowel, and that's Control colon. Again, the colon is the shift of the semicolon, so you actually have to hold both the control and the shift down in order to get the character N-A, Control Shift, to get the colon, I-V-E. See the 2 dots over the I? Another common character is the tilde on top of the N. Again, the tilde is the shift of the key to the left of the number 1. So it's S-E, Control, Shift with the tilde, N-O-R, in order to get the character. And finally, there are a couple other strange little keystrokes. The cent sign is Control slash followed by the C. If you notice that cent sign doesn't appear it's in the font Calibra, and it doesn't look like a real cent sign. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the Home ribbon and change the font to Arial. I think you'll like the cent sign better here. So we're going to go 25 Control slash C. I like the cent sign in Arial better. Hope you found this helpful as you're typing some of these special keystrokes.